right, easy now. Bring her forward another meter. Roger that, Brick. Moving slow and steady.
Hold position, Jack. We've got a massive slipper dead ahead.
I repeat, massive slipper.
Okay, Jack, easy on the steering. Watch the clearance on the left side. Slow and steady. All right, Jack, swing that boom over to the north section. We need those blue blocks cleared first.
Hạ chân chống đi, Jack, từ từ thôi.
Rõ rồi, chỉ huy. Đang hạ đây. Outriggers engaged. We have lift. The crane is secure.
Được rồi, Jack, nâng đống đồ chơi đó lên.
Cẩn thận với con gấu bông.
Nâng cân.
Bring it up smooth, Jack. Easy does it. Operator, you are clear to rotate to 90. He's clear, Jack. Take it up slow.
Copy, lifting the load.
Bring it up slow, Jack. Watch the tension.
Copy that, Foreman. It's straining hard.
Steady now, Jack. Bring the payload up slowly. Watch the stabilizers.
All right, Jack, easy now. Bring that boom up another 10 degrees. Watch your swing radius. Okay, Jack, bring it up slow. Watch the clearance on the left side of the bedpost. Easy now, easy. Okay, Jack, bring it to the Kuvuk Tap Kate.
Easy now. Watch the boom. All right, Ray, keep pushing.
Jack, easy on the boom. Bring it down slowly. I'm trying, boss. This thing weighs a ton.
We have a critical overload. The boom is starting to flex.
It's gonna snap, boss. Just put it down.
Code red, the marble pile is collapsing. Get Jack out of the cab now.
Runway. Ray, are you clear?
Jack, halt the rotation. All right, Jack, easy now. Take the strain. Watch your load.
Control, this is Brick. We have a code red. A giant furry monster is attacking the crane. Send help.
Đừng im.
Look out, the blocks.
What happened over there? Is everyone all right? All right, Jack. Easy now. Bring it up ease. We've got clearance. Hold that position. Okay, Jack. Easy now. Bring it down.
Copy that, Brick. Coming down slow. Looks good. Job well done, boys. Yeah! We did it, Foreman! Keep it steady, Jack. Don't drop it. It's falling. Well, would you look at that? A 6. Ease it up, Jack. Watch the tension on that line. Okay, hold it there. He's clear. All right, Jack. Easy now. Bring him up slowly.
Roger that. Moving to the drop zone. Clear.
All right, Jack. Keep that boom steady. We got a lot of dust kicking up.
Roger that, Brick. Extending now.
Pull it back easy now, Jack. Watch your step like that.
Confirmed, Foreman. Retraction complete.
All right, team. The floor is clear. Jack, retract the stabilizers and prepare to move the boom. Ray, secure that shovel. Operator, swing the boom right 20 degrees. Rookie is aboard.
Copy that, Foreman. Swinging the boom.
Lại đi!
Slow and steady, operator. We've got heavy dust concentrations ahead. Keep it moving towards the support beam. Jack, easy now. Rotate to the right and extend the boom. Watch those lines, Ray. Stay clear. Bring the boom around, Jack. Watch the scaffolding.
Copy that. Moving it slowly now.
Easy now, Jack. Watch your clearance on that mirror. We're almost past it.
All right, steady as she goes. Mind the boom. Ray, watch your footing back there. We got a long way to go to the bathroom. All right, cleanup complete. Let's move out. Over.